Hi guys, today we're making some quick and easy Izzy Swan styled PVC pipe squeeze clamps. Stick around, I'll show you how. As the name suggests, we're going to need some PVC pipe, a couple of scraps of wood, a saw of sorts, jigsaw, handsaw, whatever, a drill and a screwdriver. Let's get going. We're going to start off by marking a straight line down the center of the PVC pipe and then giving it a cut down the middle. Okay, now that we've marked up the center line, we can take our scraps of wood, get an idea as to where the what sort of width we're looking at. Just mark them out. Well, let's cut down the center line. You're going to want to secure your workpiece down. I don't have a vise, so I've made an arrangement with some clamps, and let's get going. Screwed a couple of scraps down to the worktop just to stop this PVC pipe from walking around on me while I'm cutting. Off we go. Get to cutting. Okay, now that we got the parts cut, we're drill our pilot holes through the scrap of wood and pipe. I'm going to do it like this, just get the screw started. That way it's easier to line up. Okay, last piece of the puzzle, you just want to hit it with a sanding block or a file or something, just to get rid of any splinters or rough edges that could cause some damage. And once that's done, we've got a working clamp. Okay. Is it pretty? No. Is it going to win any art competitions? No. Is it going to keep two pieces of wood held together just long enough for the glue to dry? Absolutely. We've got scrap wood lying around. Most of us have got a piece of PVC or two. We've all got surplus screws, and that's all we need. And a saw and a drilling machine. Once again, this is my take on a squeeze clamp that I saw made by Izzy Swan. I'm sure there's other people that have done it as well and have put their own twist on it, but that's where I found mine. Give it a try. Link to Izzy's video below. He explains it probably a lot better than I do. Take it easy. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.